Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken and vegetables in the oven. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, either thighs or breasts, and 2 pounds of sturdy vegetables like broccoli, carrots, or bell peppers. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures everything cooks perfectly and gets that lovely golden brown finish. Now, let's get everything seasoned. In a bowl, toss your chicken with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and any other spices you love. In a separate bowl, coat your chopped vegetables with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Spread the chicken and vegetables in a single layer on a large baking sheet, ensuring they aren't overcrowded for optimal roasting. Time to roast. Place your baking sheet in the preheated oven. Roast for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to flip your vegetables halfway through to ensure they brown evenly and become perfectly tender. Once done, let the dish rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This keeps the chicken wonderfully juicy. Your delicious oven-roasted chicken and vegetables are ready. Serve them immediately, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. This simple, healthy meal is perfect for any weeknight. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.